Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can place a text inside of a text in Illustrator. So I'm just going to place this to the left so I can copy that. Anyways, I will type in the word hey. You could type in anything that you'd like, and then I'm also going to choose a font that I like, and I'm just going to right click, create outlines, and I'm just going to make this bigger. Go to Object, go to Compound Path, and select Release, right click, and then in Group. Then you're just going to paste select the text button, and I'm just going to make this smaller. Maybe I should just copy and paste this. Like that. Like so, and then I'm just going to adjust like the alignment here in characters. I'll just do that, and then maybe do this one so it fills in everything. Just kind of adjust it as you go. Maybe like that, so it's like smushed together. I don't know, you can do anything you want with it basically, but yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I'm just trying to show you the finished product here. And yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.